That's drawers up there. In case anyone was wondering, drawers everywhere. Drawers, doors, drawers, drawer, more drawers. Shelves. Broom closet with shelf. Big old drawers in the cabinets above the refrigerator and freezer. Bunch more shelves. And there will be glass in those doors. Here's another appliance garage. It's got tape on it, so it may not close right now. I guess they're masked it off for painting. You want to bring this? Yeah. More shelves above the oven. So here's going to be the microwave. Here's going to be the oven. Another drawer at the bottom. Big old drawer. Drawers everywhere else. I can show you this appliance. Garage. Oh, they got tape on this one too. That one works even with the tape. More drawers. Small drawers. But drawers. Recycling. Trash. Sink. More drawers. Cooktop. This will be removed later. Bunch more drawers. Bunch more drawers. Little cabinet with 2 shelves, just for the heck of it. 2 doors, more drawers. And that's it. I'm done for the time being.